Just think for a while. Do you think that our customers or prospects are coming to our websites through the search engines only? Or all the times they are on search engines? Obviously no. They may be on YouTube, they may be on blog, or they may be surfing the websites of their own interest. Don't you think that we should target them there by showing our advertisements in the form of banners, animations, text ads, or in the form of videos? Yes, we should target them there. So this is nothing, this is called the display advertising. So let me explain exactly what is the meaning of display advertising. Display advertising is an important form of pay-per-click advertising. Just think for a while. Do you think that all prospects are coming to the website through the search engines, or all the times they are on search engines? Obviously, no. They may be on YouTube, they may be on blogs, or they may be on different websites of their interest. So, don't you think we should target them there and show our advertisements in the form of banners, animations, and even in the text form? Yes, we should. So this is nothing, it's called display advertising. Let me explain it. According to Castaria, display advertising is a form of advertising that conveys a commercial message visually using text, logos, animations, videos, photographics, or any other graph. According to Google Ads, display ads help the advertisers to reach the people where they are browsing their favorite websites, watching YouTube videos, checking their Gmail accounts, or using the mobile devices or apps. Similar to the search engine marketing, Google Ads and Bing Ads are the most popular platforms of display advertising. In our course, we will learn how to use Google Ads to run the display advertisements. Just wait for that. Next, we have social media as an important form of PPC. You will be surprised to notice that according to the report released by McKinsey in 2019, we as Indians are spending the highest amount of time on social media in the world. We spend about 17 hours per week on social media websites like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and others. And it's a world record. It's happening all because of cheap Android phones and easy access to the 4G services. So, for marketer, social media is another destination to advertise their product and services because of its high penetration rate, especially in India. Most of the advertising model of social media advertising are based on pay-per-click. That means you will only pay if someone click on your ads. Going by the importance of social media, we will learn how to use Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn for pay-per-click advertising in the respective modules. Remarketing. You might have noticed while surfing on internet, you start experiencing ads of those sites that you visited previously. Suppose I want to book an air ticket from Chandigarh to Goa through Make My Trip and yet not finalized the booking. It is very strange to notice that ads of Make My Trip start appearing on other websites as well, where my purpose of visiting those sites is altogether different. From marketer's point of view, it's nothing, it's called remarketing, and it is an important form of PPC. We will learn about remarketing advertising with the help of Google Ads. Next, we have shopping ads. You must have noticed that these type of ads on Google search page or on YouTube. These are nothing, it's a part of Google shopping ads, which are essentially a pay-per-click ads. Shopping ads help the buyer to search for product quickly and easily on Google. According to Google Ads, shopping ads allow sellers to control the product information and maintain the accuracy and freshness of the product information, so that customers find the relevant and the current items they are looking for. Google shopping ads are again managed from Google Ads platform, and we will learn about it shortly. So this was our discussion on various forms of pay-per-click advertising. I'm not claiming here that these are the only form of pay-per-click advertising. You may find many other forms once you will start exploring this domain. Thank you.